Ah, you guys, it's so great to be filming again. It's been so long since I've sat down and filmed a video, so it's great to be sitting here and just talking about makeup with you guys. So lots of changes in my life. I've moved from Portland to Colorado, and I'm like 33 weeks pregnant, so lots of changes, and I'm just excited to be back filming and sharing unique with you guys again. So today I want to talk to you about our Shine cleansing cloths, but I thought showing you how I take my makeup off with the Shine cleansing cloths would be a great way to end the day. It's a quick video. I've had my makeup on all day, and I just wanted to show you how these bad boys work. I have found that I do not like the cloths that are super wet, that kind of get sudsy on your face, because I feel like they leave a film on the skin and they kind of make your skin tacky after you use them. These are pretty much all essential oils. They're made of sunflower, olive, jojoba, vitamin E, and rosemary. I love the way they smell, and they just do the job. They don't irritate my eyes. I've tried so many wipes that have taken off my makeup really well, but at the end of taking off my makeup with the wipe, my eyes are super red and super stingy, and these are the only ones that don't do any of that to me. So one makeup wipe is gonna take this whole face off. I thought this look was perfect for showing you how these work, because it's an intense eye look. I have my mascara built up, my lashes are to my eyebrows, full face of makeup, and it's gonna be taken off by one Shine cleansing cloth. So what I like to do first is take off my mascara, and how I do that is I kind of lay the cloth on the mascara to kind of give it some moisture so I can wipe it away. It just comes off so easy with these things, and I think it's just really the essential oils that are helping take that off so easily. Whenever I have a makeup remover, like a liquid makeup remover that has that is made for making or made for taking off waterproof makeup, it has some kind of oil in it. Or if you ever see like the old school cold cream, it's like an oil-based cleanser. Basically is what you need to take off waterproof or water-resistant makeup. There go my fibers on my face, but you can see it's just taking everything off, and it's so gentle. I'm even getting into, you know, my waterline, and it's taking that, it's taking that product off my face too. So this is one side with one eye, and as you can see, it's completely clean of any eyeliner, eyeshadow, mascara. It's pretty incredible, right? Let's talk about these lashes though. It's pretty awesome. So I'm going to go on the other side and do the same thing. Lay the cloth on my lashes just to give it some moisture so it comes off easily. And sometimes I kind of like to press, like take it and then pinch my mascara, or my lashes, not my mascara. Well, mascara is on my lashes and that's why I'm doing it, so. And I don't pull, but I just like want to envelop my lashes with the cloth. So I'm getting it on both sides and then I'll wipe it away. And so for when you build your mascara up like I do, that's like the best way. I do have a video up on my channel. I think it's like the 3rd or 4th YouTube video I ever did, and it was showing you how I wash my mascara off. If I have like a ton of mascara on and I want some extra oomph, I will go and wet my lashes first and then maybe take my mascara off and then come back with these. But I love these because they just make your skin feel so smooth and so hydrated. I don't have a film. I don't have a sticky film. My skin isn't tacky. I don't feel like there's anything left on my eyes that I feel like I have to rinse off. Of course, you can go back and clean your skin with cleanser, moisturizer, and do your nightly skin routine. This is not everything I do, but in a situation when I'm traveling, when I'm in the airport, when I'm in a hotel, when I'm in a hurry, I do not like to sleep with my makeup on. But if I'm super tired and this is all that this is all the energy that I can muster up, I don't feel like I'm cheating my skin of any moisture or any nutrients by just doing a shine cleansing cloth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on the other side of it, fold it again, and then just get the rest of my face. Get that lip gloss off. Okay, so that's it. I feel like I can go to bed and my skin will be fine. I will not break out with these. I've never broken out with our shine cloths. They take off everything. You can see my skin is totally clean. I do not have a like tacky or sticky feeling. I do feel the essential oils, but it's not a gross, greasy feeling. I just feel hydrated and smooth, and my skin feels really nourished. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more now that I'm back. I'm so excited to be filming again and to be interacting with all my followers. So have a great day and I will see you on the next video. Bye. Today I want to talk to you about our Shine Makeup Remover Cloths. Did I do that right? Jeez. Oh, man down. Ugh. Look at all the makeup that it took off. You can all see the fibers, my foundation, my eyeshadow, everything. One cloth. It's pretty incredible. Alrighty. See you guys later.